Magandang araw sa lahat. The YouTube channel of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Limbas Law Corner is back to once again render public service in the field of law for our countrymen or para sa ating sambayanang Pilipino. Brought to you by the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club of the Eastern Rizal Region 2 sa pamamagitan ng inyong lingkod na isa namang abogado at isang guro sa maraming law school sa ating bansa. The topic. Well, kung ikaw ay biktima ng panluloko, maaari bang magsampa ka ng criminal case sa Office of the Prosecutor without the endorsement of the National Bureau of Investigation or the Philippine National Police? The answer is yes. Kahit wala namang investigasyon ang NBI or PNP, CIDG, maaari ka namang dumulog, magreklamo, magsampa ng kaso sa Office of the Prosecutor by preparing your complaint affidavit, the affidavit of your witnesses, at isama mo doon yung kontrata kung meron man na ikaw ay niloloko at lalabas na estafa. You can file it directly with the Office of the Prosecutor without first undergoing prior NBI or police investigation. Kung civil action lang naman, purely civil case, collection of sum of money, lalo na hindi naman dadaan ng NBI or ng police. Magsampa ka ng kaso either where? The Regional Trial Court or the MTC. Where the amount involved does not exceed 2 million, then you can file a complaint with the first level court, yung tinatawag na Metropolitan Trial Court or Municipal Trial Court. Kung lumagpas naman ng 2 million or exceeding 2 million, then you can file a complaint where? With the Regional Trial Court. So, maliwanag, criminal case, kailangan bang dumaan ng NBI or police? Hindi naman kailangan. Pero kung sakali, medyo kailangan ng masusing investigasyon ang kaso, mainam naman na dadaan sa NBI or the PNP, CIDG. Pero yung mga simple lang, affidavit lang naman ang kailangan ng complainant at mga testigo. Hindi naman kailangan ng police or NBI prior investigation. Sana nakatulong na naman muli itong aming club, the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club of the Eastern Rizal Region 2. Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Salamat.